SI सिस्टम इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट अडॉप्टेड 1960 में। 7 फंडामेंटल सिस्टम इंटरनेशनल यूनिट प्रेस जयपुर इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट SI एब्रीविएटेड SI। 7 लेंथ मीटर मास kg टाइम सेकंड टेम्परेचर केल्विन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एम्पियर लुमिनस इंटेंसिटी कैंडला अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस मोल अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस 1 मोल 6.02 into 10 to power 23 particle Avogadro's number time standard based on cesium 133 atomic clock speed of light 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter per second square absolute 0 K minus 273 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर कन्वर्जन केल्विन C प्लस 273 रिलेशन बिटवीन सेल्सियस और फ़ारेनहाइट C by 5 F minus 32 by 19 a temperature at which Celsius or Fahrenheit same minus 40 degree Celsius or minus 40 degree Fahrenheit a water on atmospheric pressure boils at 100 degree Celsius 373 Kelvin 212 Fahrenheit water freeze 0 degree Celsius 273 Kelvin 32 degree Fahrenheit frequency hertz electric charge coulomb capacitance farad magnetic flux Weber magnetic field Tesla inductance Henry conductance Simon luminous flux lumen radioactive becquerel radiation dose gray biological radiation dose sievert energy joule power watt pressure pascal torque newton meter surface tension newton per meter specific heat joule per kg kelvin heat capacity joule per kelvin electric potential volt electric resistance ohm resistivity ohm meter sound intensity decibel horsepower 1 horsepower 746 watt wavelength angstrom 1 angstrom 10 to power minus 10 meter atmospheric pressure 1 bar 10 to power 5 pascal calorie 1 calorie 4.186 joule electron volt 1 electron volt 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb CGS dyne force का वर्क का अर्ग न्यूटन डाइन रिलेशन 1 न्यूटन 10 to power 5 डाइन जूल अर्ज 1 जूल से 10 to power 7 अर्ज एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन अर्थ एंड सन लाइट ईयर डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाई लाइट इन 1 ईयर पारसेक 3.26 लाइट ईयर 10 to power 18 को एक साफ 15 पेटा 12 टेरा 9 गीगा 6 मेगा 3 किलो 2 हेक्टो 1 डेका -18 एटो 15 फेमटो -12 पिको -9 नैनो -6 माइक्रो -3 मिली -2 सेंटीओम -1 डेसी टेरा 12 गीगा 9 मेगा 6 किलो 3 सेंटी -2 माइक्रो 3 मिली 3 माइक्रो -6 नैनो -9 पिको -12 स्मॉल यूनिट माइक्रोग्राम 10 to power 6 ग्राम पिको 10 to power -12 नैनो 10 to power -9 ग्राम माइक्रोन 10 to power -6 पिको 10 to power -12 फर्मी 10 to power -15 लिस्ट काउंट स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू मेजरेबल बाय इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक्यूरेसी क्लोजनेस ऑफ मेजर्ड वैल्यू टू ट्रू वैल्यू प्रिसीजन रिपीटेबिलिटी और कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ मेजरमेंट सिस्टमेटिक error due to instrument or method random error due to unpredictable fluctuation measuring separate to measuring instrument and scale ammeter electric current voltmeter potential difference galvanometer very small electric current multimeter measurement of current voltage lux light intensity photometer light intensity audiometer intensity of sound phonometer sound intensity and frequency wavemeter frequency of electromagnetic wave oscilloscope CRO electric signal waveform electroscope detection of electric charge Geiger counter detection of radioactivity calorimeter measurement of heat polarimeter rotation of polarized light spectrometer wavelength of light potentiometer precise measurement of potential difference hydrometer density lactometer density or purity of milk pycnometer specific gravity crescograph plant growth measurement thermometer temperature pyrometer very high temperature barometer atmospheric pressure manometer pressure of gas hygrometer humidity of air anemometer wind speed rain gauge rainfall seismograph earthquake, Richter scale earthquake magnitude, Mercalli scale earthquake intensity, odometer distance traveled by vehicle, speedometer speed of vehicle, tachometer rotational speed of engine, altimeter altitude of aircraft, bathymeter depth of sea, sonar sound navigation and ranging, detection of underwater object using ultrasonic wave, sextant angle measurement in navigation, compass direction using earth magnetic field, GPS satellite based location, vernier measurement of internal diameter, external diameter of the screw gauge, micrometer measurement of very small thickness object such as wire, least count of screw about 0.01 mm, ह्यूमन हियरिंग 20 हर्ट्ज से 20,000 हर्ट्ज तक, अल्ट्रासाउंड फ्रीक्वेंसी ग्रेटर देन 20 किलो हर्ट्ज यूज्ड इन सोनार एंड मेडिकल रेंजिंग. Mechanics motion force work energy scalar quantity only magnitude होगा, डायरेक्शन नहीं होगा, डिस्टेंस स्पीड मास टाइम एनर्जी वर्क टेम्परेचर वॉल्यूम प्रेशर. वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज डायरेक्शन, डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेलोसिटी एक्सेलरेशन वेट फोर्स मोमेंटम टॉर्क, डिस्टेंस टोटल डेप्थ बाई डेप्थ लेंथ ऑफ पार्ट ट्रेवल्ड. स्केलर क्वांटिटी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, डिस्प्लेसमेंट शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इनिशियल फाइनल. वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव जीरो सब हो सकता है. स्पीड रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्टेंस, स्पीड डिस्टेंस बाई टाइम मीटर पर सेकेंड. एवरेज स्पीड टोटल डिस्टेंस टोटल टाइम. वेलोसिटी रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन पार्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन मीटर सेकेंड. वेक्टर क्वांटिटी एवरेज वेलोसिटी टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट टोटल टाइम. एक्सेलरेशन रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी v इज इक्वल टू u प्लस at a मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. एवरेज एक्सेलरेशन टोटल चेंज इन वेलोसिटी बाई टोटल टाइम. रिटार्डेशन नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन और डिसेलरेशन. मास अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर in a body kg, constant everywhere in universe. Weight force exerted by gravity, weight mg Newton, change according to gravity. Weight of object on moon 1/6 of weight of earth. g moon का, g earth का by 6. weight may be zero. weightlessness w 0. apparent loss of weight during free fall or orbital motion. apparent weight in lift, moving up or down, constant velocity, weight remains normal. W is equal to mg. Accelerating upward, feel heavier. W हो जाएगा mg प्लस ए. Accelerating downward, lighter. W हो जाएगा mg माइनस ए. If cable break, free fall, acceleration a बराबर g, apparent weight 0, weightlessness. Momentum p is equal to mv kg meter per second. Impulse product of force and time equal to change in momentum Newton second. law of conservation of momentum. Total momentum of an isolated system remains constant. Contact force strictly require physical contact. Interacting object, normal force, friction force, spring force, tension force. Non-contact do not require physical contact. Magnetic, gravitational, electrostat. First law of inertia. Body remains at rest in uniform मोशन अनलेस एक्टेड बाय एक्सटर्नल फोर्स. जब तक काम नहीं करेगा अपने ये स्टेट में रहेगा. इनर्शिया मीन्स रेजिस्टेंस टू चेंज. टाइप ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ रेस्ट, इनर्शिया ऑफ मोशन, इनर्शिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन. एग्जाम्पल पैसेंजर जर्क इन बस, डस्ट फॉल व्हेन कारपेट इज बीटन, फ्रूट फॉल व्हेन ट्री इज शेकन. न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू फोर्स. F is equal to ma 1 Newton 1 kg meter. Application of second law. Increase time, take a stop a moving object, you drastically decrease force. Catching a ball by cricketer. Cushion or sand used for landing of athletes during long and high jump. Seat belt and airbags in vehicle. Third law, every action or equal opposite reaction. Application of third law. Gun recoil, rowing boat, jet engine, airplane, rocket propulsion. Working principle of weighing scale. Friction force opposing relative motion between surface in contact. Type of static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction. Limiting friction, maximum value of static friction. Reduce the friction, lubrication, ball bearing, polishing surface. Advantage of friction, walking, writing and braking of vehicle. Equation of rectilinear motion. Straight line B is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, B square is equal to U square plus 2S. Graphic. Stationary, uniform speed, non-uniform equal distance, equal interval of time, unequal distance in equal interval. Free fall motion under gravity only acceleration g एज 1.8 इक्वल हो जाता है. स्लोप ऑफ डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ स्पीड डिस्प्लेसमेंट टाइम वेलोसिटी टाइम slope of velocity time acceleration distance time straight line indicate uniform motion velocity time straight line indicate uniform acceleration area under velocity time displacement circular motion of body along circular path uniform circular motion speed constant but velocity change continuously non-uniform both speed or velocity change centripetal force directed towards the center maintaining circular motion satellite stone tide centrifugal apparent outward force in rotating frame washing machine dryer screen separator wall depth angular displacement angle through which body rotate unit radian angular velocity delta theta by delta t unit radian per second angular acceleration delta omega by delta t acceleration b is equal to r central acceleration a is equal to b square by r projectile motion projected at angle with horizontal forming parabolic path nature of projectile two dimension maximum height h is equal to a square sin square theta by 2g horizontal range r u square sin 2 theta by g time of flight 2u sin theta by g maximum height condition theta 90 degree maximum range theta 45 relation between range and height r max is equal to 2 height max example projectile motion का ball thrown upward bomb thrown from airplane cannon ball rocket after fuel work fd cos theta scalar quantity unit joule पॉजिटिव वर्क जब से फोर्स और डिस्प्लेसमेंट सेम डायरेक्शन नेगेटिव अपोजिट और जीरो जब परपेंडिकुलर काइनेटिक एनर्जी हाफ एम बी स्क्वायर पोटेंशियल एम जी एच मैकेनिकल एनर्जी सम ऑफ काइनेटिक और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी कैन नॉट बी क्रिएटेड नॉट डिस्ट्रॉयड ओनली ट्रांसफॉर्म पावर रेट ऑफ डूइंग वर्क पर इन टाइम ऐसा यूनिट पावर वाट इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी यूनिट किलो वाट आवर कमर्शियल 1 kilowatt hour 3.6 into 10 to power 6 joule पावर कन्वर्जन 1 किलोवाट 1000 वाट 1 मेगावाट 10 to power 6 वाट टॉर्क टर्निंग इफेक्ट ऑफ फोर्स R into F न्यूटन मीटर वेक्टर क्वांटिटी क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लीवर rigid bar rotating without fulcrum used to lift load सीजर सीसो क्रो पिलर रिपोर्ट लोड क्लास 2 में फलक्रम और रिपोर्ट बीच में लोड क्लास 3 में फलक्रम और लोड बीच में रिपोर्ट फिशिंग रोड ह्यूमन फोर आर्म इसमें सेकेंड में जिसमें फलक्रम बीच में हो और लोड बीच में व्हील बोरो नट क्रैकर टाइप ऑफ लीवर First lever and fulcrum between load and effort seesaw. Second load between fulcrum effort wheel barrow. Third class lever effort between fulcrum and load human forearm. Mechanical advantage load per effort. Velocity ratio distance moved by effort distance moved by load. Efficiency output by input into 100. Simple machine lever pulley inclined plane screw pulley device used to change direction of force inclined plane. Reduce effort required to lift load. Wheel and axle rotational machine increasing mechanical advantage. Energy conversion device mechanical to electrical motor, electrical to mechanical battery, chemical to electrical solar, solar to electrical bulb, electrical to light and heat, microphone sound to electrical loudspeaker, electrical to sound siren, mechanical to sound pressure force per unit area Pascal, atmospheric pressure exerted by atmosphere 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. At sea level pressure decrease will going up on mountain. Pascal law, pressure applied to enclosed fluid transmitted equally in all directions. Application of Pascal law, hydraulic press, hydraulic lift, hydraulic brake. Buoyancy, upward force exerted by fluid on immersed object. Archimedes principle, upward buoyant force equal weight of displaced fluid. Condition of flotation, weight of object equals to weight of displaced fluid. Condition 3, sink to bottom, जब वेट ज़्यादा होगा buoyant force से. फ्लोट फुल्ली सबमर्ज, द वेट buoyant force के इक्वल होगा. फ्लोट और पार्शियली सबमर्ज, जब वेट और buoyant force इक्वल होगा. Heat and thermodynamics, basic concept of heat, energy in motion, heat and temperature. It's the total energy being transferred between object, and temperature is simply average speed of molecules. Internal energy, sum of microscopic kinetic and potential energy of all the molecules within a thermodynamic system. Heating increases the internal energy. The specific heat, amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of a unit mass of a substance exactly 1 degree. SI unit joule per kg or Kelvin. Formula Q is equal to mCp delta T. Mass into specific heat into change into temperature. Water exceptionally high specific heat. Cp water 4.18 joule per gram Kelvin. Water takes a long time to heat up and a long time to cool down. Sand and rock have a very low specific heat compared to water. They heat up fast in the sun and freeze fast at night. Climate control, difference in specific heat between land and water is the reason for land breeze and sea breeze. Car radiator, because it absorbs so much heat without boiling. Water is used as a coolant in car engine and nuclear reactor. Hot water bag, because water cools down incredibly slowly. It is used in hot water bag for pain relief. Latent heat of fusion, conversion from ice to liquid water. Latent heat of evaporation, conversion from liquid water to steam. Thermal conductivity, measure how effectively a material conduct heat. Conductor, good conductor of heat, high value of K. Metal have highest thermal conductivity, silver, copper, aluminum. Insulator, poor conductor of heat, low value of K. Wood, air, Teflon. 3 mode of heat transfer. Conduction, heat travel through conduction, solid में होता है. Variation of molecule without actual movement. Fourier law of heat conduction, Ka delta T by delta L. Example of conduction, metal spoon in hot curry feel hot. Cooking pan are made up of metal, good conductor, transfer heat quickly but have wooden bakelite handle. Insulated bad conductor to protect hand. Woolen clothes in winter. Wool does not generate heat. It is a poor conductor of heat. More importantly, it traps air in its fiber. Air is an excellent insulator. Woolen clothes prevent your body heat from escaping into the cold environment. Double pane window in AC coach or train. 2 layers of glass is used with air or vacuum in between. This prevents heat from entering the summer or leaving the winter via conduction. Eskimo dwelling, 2 layers of ice wrapped in jute. Convection in liquid and gases, heat travel through bulk movement of molecules of fluid, liquid or gas. Create land and sea breeze. During the land heat up faster than sea. air above the land rises because it is hot and light, and the cool air, the sea rushes in the fill gap. Boiling the liquid is pure convection. Newton's law of cooling, rate at which an object loses heat to its surrounding. Hotter an object is compared to its surrounding, faster it cools down. Q convection, H H delta T, H coefficient of convection heat transfer. Newton's law of cooling, cooling curve, time versus temperature. Radiation, no medium required. Heat travel through empty space via electromagnetic wave. No medium is needed. We feel the heat come of a campfire even if the wind is blowing. Sun heats travel 15 crore किलोमीटर through the vacuum space to reach Earth. Step and voltage मान लो Q is equal to sigma AS delta T4. Sigma Stephen constant. Kirchhoff's law, good absorber or good emitter. Black body, ideal body that absorbs all incident radiation regardless of wavelength or direction. Emit maximum possible radiation. It is perfect absorber and perfect emitter of radiation. Cavity with a hole, sun star. Thermoflask, दीवार flask. Thermo keep coffee hot or water cooled. It prevents all three modes of heat transfer. Vacuum, between the double glass wall prevent both conduction, convection, and silver coated steel inner wall reflect radiation back into the liquid.